It's officially our day 5 here in Japan. And today, pupunta tayo ng Kyoto. Magre-reload lang tayo ng Ikoka dito sa machine. Here's our Ikoka. English. Charge. Insert our Ikoka card. Let's choose 1K yen. Pasok natin dito yung paper bill. And let's choose charge with receipt. And that's actually it. Here's our receipt. So, let's go. Pasok na tayo sa line. We'll go to Sakai Suji line. Just the time check, it's 8:06 a.m. Osaka time, and it's 9 degrees today. I'm also layering. I brought my scarf with me just in case it gets colder. Since it's our first time, we'll go to 2 famous spots in Kyoto. 1 in Arashiyama, and then 2 is in Fushimi Inari. Guys, andito kami sa Tenimbashi Suji Station. Hindi sana to yung stop namin, but for some reason, merong weird na nangyari when we got to Ogimachi. I think it's Ogimachi. Mga around 5 to 10 minutes. I think around 10 minutes yon na nakastop lang kami. And then they keep on announcing something. Of course, it's in Japanese. We couldn't understand it. And the people naman that are in the train are just sitting. And then nung umandar na siya, after one stop, huminto na yung train. Like right now, nakastop lang yung train in front of us. And we're just waiting kung mayroong susunod na train going to our destination talaga before we transfer. So, I'll show you kung ano yung situation. Ito yung kabila. Then, ito naman kami. Ayan yung train, guys. Then, dyan lang siya, nakahinto lang. Tapos, yung mga tao are congregated here.
One eternity later.
Guys, after a long delay, narating na rin natin tong Awaji Station. Ayan na yung sasakyan natin pa Kyoto, guys.
Arashiyama 終点です。お出口は左側です。
Made it to Arashiyama Station. Ito yung nilalakaran namin pababa ng station, guys. Ang ganda dito. It's so picturesque. It's quiet. And it's like the ones you see in the Japanese movies. Palabas na tayo, guys, ng Arashiyama Station. Time check, guys. It's already 10:30 Osaka time. And maglalakad pa tayo papunta dun sa Bamboo Forest. Guys, mahaba-habang lakaran yung gagawin natin pa Arashiyama Bamboo Forest. But the way leading up to it, especially now in autumn, sobrang ganda, guys. Yan o, nature talaga yung makikita nyo dito. Merong stream ng tubig dito, napakalinis. And dito yan sa dadaanan nyo, papunta dun sa Grove. Guys, look at this. Napakalinis niya. And the views, wow. Ito yung ganda na nakakaiyak kasi it's so serene and picturesque. Oh, look at that. Ayun yung dadaanan natin. Papunta dun sa Grove. But, oh my goodness. Wow. Parang gusto ko lang mag-stop and stare because I'm in awe right now. Like, the weather is perfect, the colors of autumn are beautiful. It's so peaceful here. What more can you ask for? I sat on one of the benches because I just wanna soak in this glorious view. I'm getting very emo because of this view. It really opens your eyes. Traveling does open your eyes to a lot of possibilities. If you think about it, the world really is your oyster. How is this place real? I don't know. I really don't know. Ito yung dinadaanan natin ngayon, papunta dun sa bridge para makatawid tayo dito sa kabila. We made it to the bridge, guys. We're just now following the crowd. I'm sure they're going to the Bamboo Grove. So we're walking towards that path. Tatawid tayo dun sa kabila, guys. Waiting lang for the light to turn green. Daming tao dito ngayon. To be fair, it's already 10 a.m. Guys, since hindi pa kami mag-breakfast na din kami dito. Pumasok kami dun sa parang food court na madadaanan nyo lang din. I want udon, noodles, tapos meron sila ditong side dishes. Parang gusto kong itry ito. This one. Order na tayo. Get crab. And then, I'll also get fish cake to go with my udon. Pick up natin siya dito. Squat tayo. And now, chopsticks. In total natin, guys, 3,740 yen. Order tayo ng udon. Ayan, no? Kita nyo, umusok pa ang init. Bawat isa nito, tig 300 yen. Tapos itong soup is 800 yen. Perfecto kasi malamig ngayon. Ang refreshing ng lasa. May nakita kasi akong yuzu. So, siguro kaya refreshing yung lasa. Wow. I like it. Yung lasa niya parang citrusy. Hindi siya yung parang deep soy flavor lang. No. Citrusy siya. Masarap yung dashi na gamit nila. Favorite ko talaga yung udon eh. So, I'm so happy to be trying an authentic udon here in Japan. Ang laki din itong parang crab, guys. Imitation crab siya. Pero malaki yung chunk. Masarap pareho. You might wanna dip it sa broth. Panalo. Dito yan, guys, sa Arashiyama Gourmet Yokocho. Tuloy na ulit tayo sa paglalakad papunta sa Grove. Guys, andito na tayo sa Bamboo Grove. Pag nakita niyo yung Snoopy Chocolat na store, liko lang kayo doon. And eto na yung pathway to the Grove. Malalaman nyo rin naman kasi halos lahat ng turista dito papunta. Look at this. Daming tao, guys. Ang hirap tumigil and mag-take ng pictures kasi you might be inconveniencing others. Kawaii! Pasok tayo dito sa parang part where you can make a wish. Dito, guys, yung parang tablet na binili nyo dun sa bungad, ilalagay nyo yata dito to make a wish. Pag pumunta kayo ng Arashiyama Bamboo Forest, guys, please make sure to check out yung mga ganitong maliliit na shrines also. Maganda rin siya. Guys, guys, we're done at the Arashiyama Bamboo Forest. Hindi naman kami ganun nagtagal. Siguro a good like, 20-30 minutes, okay na. Tapos, on the way back, dadaanan natin yung Tenryuji Temple. Then, we'll go to Fushimi Inari next. Guys, sasaglit tayo dito sa Tenryuji Temple. Dito sa Kyoto pala, mas kita-kita na yung colors ng autumn kasi red na yung mga dahon nila dito. You know? Guys, ito na yata yung Tenryuji Temple. Ayun yung pasukan. Ang ganda ng vicinity, yung walk towards this. Very picturesque. Naglalakad na tayo pabalik ng station. Pupunta tayo sa Fushimi Inari. Dito kami dumaan sa parang mga residential area nila going to the station. And sobrang tahimik. Mahihiya kang magingay kahit nasa daan ka lang. Tingnan nyo, napakalinis guys. Guys, para talagang walang nakatira dito. It's so quiet. Or maganda lang ba yung soundproofing nila? May mga ilan-ilan like motorbikes or sasakyan kayong maririnig. But other than that, halos walang tao. So guys, sa JR Saga Arashiyama Station tayo. Papunta ng Fushimi Inari. 100 meters and we're there. Yung 1317, yan yung train natin. It's currently 1:05. Meron pa tayong 12 minutes here. By the way guys, nagmamadali tayo kanina. So I wasn't able to do a quick fit check. So here's the fit. I'm just wearing an oversized blazer. I have this animal printed tee inside. These jeans are from H&M. Then I have my bag. This one I got from Shopee. We're here at Kyoto Station. Dito tayo sasakay ng Inari naman. Platform 8 to 10 to Inari. After natin sa Fushimi Inari guys, dito rin tayo sasakay mamaya pabalik naman ng Osaka. We're here at Fushimi Inari Station guys. Laki ng torii gate sa entrance guys. So hindi kayo maliligaw. Kasi paglabas nyo lang din ng Inari Station, that torii gate is what's going to welcome you to this area. Daming tao guys. Well, it is to be expected, especially here sa Fushimi Inari Taisha because it's one of the most famous spots. Here's the map. Dito tayo ngayon. Hindi tayo mag-hike all the way because I just know na hindi ko kaya. Punta muna tayo dito guys sa may mga kainan. Hanap tayo kung meron tayong mabibili na quick snack bago tayo umakyat. May dumplings, candied apples. Ito, may sweet potatoes dito. Tapos, dito naman, takoyaki and okonomiyaki. Ayan. Try din natin makapunta tayo dyan. Sana may dango. Tumabi muna tayo sa gilid, guys. Meron tayong yakisoba. Strong yung curry flavor niya. Mainit pa yan kanina, umuusok pa. Ito guys, may mga souvenir shop dito. Tapos marami pang bilihan dito sa side na to. Saan kaya tayo makakahanap ng dango? May dango ba dito? Nakita din namin tong shop na to, guys. And para masarap yung cheese means beef cutlet for 600 yen. Ito yung itsura niya for 600 yen. Masarap siya. Para siyang burger patty na may cheese. Dito sa bungad, merong mga wish blocks. Hanapin nyo lang yung lettering. Ito yung gusto ko. Wealth and happiness. Yung maliit, 200 yen. Tapos itong ganito kalaki, 1,000 yen. Dito sa kabila, pwede ka rin mag-wish. Pero yung shape is Torigate. Diba? Ang ganda. And that is for 1,000 yen. Sabi dito, pwede nyo siyang ihang or pwede nyo siyang iuwi. Ayan na yung entrance to the rows of Torigates, guys. So, ito na yung hike na harapin natin. Sa part na to, guys, 200. Daming tao, guys. After nito, tama na. Cute nito, guys. Pagtapos niyo dun sa maliliit, malalaking Torigates na ulit yung papasukan. There you go, guys. That's been our time here in Fushimi Inari Taisha. Mabilis lang tayo. Talagang tiningnan lang natin siya and visit. Even without us hiking all the way to the top, masaya pa rin yung experience. Nawakan na natin yung Torigate, nakita natin in person. Tapos, we were able naman to take some pictures kahit maraming tao. Bigayan lang din yung mga turista when it comes to taking pics because they know naman that you're there to, you know, make memories, take pics, ganon. Be mindful na lang din of your surroundings and make sure that you're not obstructing yung mga daan ng tao. Guys, change of plans tayo. Palabas na tayo dito sa Fushimi Inari Taisha. But, imbes na mag-Kumizodera tayo since malayo siya and out of way na, why not mag-Shinsekai na lang tayo para doon na rin tayo mag-dinner. At least yan malapit-lapit where we're staying. So, that's what we're going to do. We're going to Shinsekai for dinner. Finally, guys, nakahanap din tayo ng station na may stamp. So, magagamit ko itong binili ko from Muji na stamp pad. I was able to get a stamp dun sa station. Then, we also reloaded our Ikoka to get to Shin Imamiya. We're here at Shin Imamiya Station. Paglabas nyo ng station, guys, sa east exit, itong Maruhan at saka Mega Donkey yung bubungad sa inyo. Update, andito na tayo sa Shinsekai. Makikita nyo ba? Ayun yung Chutenkaku Tower. Biglang drop yung temperature, guys. It's actually 14, but it feels like 9. Ganun kalamig. Tapos mahangin. Kaya nilabas ko na ulit yung scarf. Meron din dito mga souvenirs. And then, of course, food. There's the Chutenkaku Tower. Tingnan nyo naman kung gaano kalaki to. You know, sobrang detailed pati ng signages nila. Dami nagpipicture na tourists. Yan, no? Kita nyo ba? Tapos itong sa harap ko. Okay, there! Amazing! Ang ganda ng Shinsekai, guys. Nakakatuwa naman maglakad-lakad lang dito. Kaya hanap din tayo kung saan tayo pwede mag-dinner. We found a kura here, guys. So, try natin to. Siguro mag-try tayo ng a few plates. Guys, dito tayo. So, ito yung price ranges, guys. May 132, 150, 320, 440, and then 630 yen na options. Ayan. So, may abot kaya. Meron din namang medyo mahal na. So, pili lang ako ng akin. Pili ako nitong shrimp mayo, seafood salad. Confirming your order. Chopstick. Try natin to. Shrimp sushi na in-order natin kanina. Dito na yung iba nating order, guys. Seafood salad. I think this is shrimp with mayo. Tapos ito ay I don't know what this is, but itadakimasu. Let's try this. Shrimp with mayo. Let's try the beef. Ang sarap din. Parang dito na lang kami magdi-dinner kasi ang sarap. Order pa tayo. Try din natin their basic tamago sushi. Also ordered itong stuffed sushi inside tofu skin. Favorite seafood salad. Try din ako ng sashimi, guys. This is fatty tuna with salt. Dip natin ng konti sa soy sauce. Try naman natin tong beef with spicy sauce. Oh, wow. Guys, I'm super happy because yung 132 yen, that's around 50 pesos. Sa Pilipinas, when you go to like Genki Sushi, nasa around 200 yung pinakamura or almost 200 yung pinakamura. Dito 50 pesos, may sushi ka na, diba? So kahit makawat, 10 peraso or 10 plate, that's like 500 pesos. Solve ka na. Ito spicy cod, innards, beef with tasty sauce. Tapos, this one is chicken teriyaki. Down to our last 2 plates, guys. Shrimp with mayo. Tapos, tempura. Check your bill.
We are currently calculating the total amount for your... Note, the displayed amount includes the
21
items in your
plates,
current...
2,820 yen. Or around 1,000 pesos. Okay na, diba? Kasi 21 plates naman yan. Ang dami na. And busog na kami talaga. That's it for our dinner today. Thank you guys so much for joining us. We enjoyed Shinsekai and Kura. I'll see you guys on the next one.